we're getting hail. Little hailstones, as you can see. We're getting hail. Now, well, that's winter for you. Okay. It is absolutely freezing at the moment, and it's hailing. So you can see it on my windscreen, little white dots. It's actually, there you go. It is shocking. And there's people waiting outside here to queue up to go into Bunnings. Rather than taking them in, they're just letting them queue up in the rain and the hail. Unbelievable. There you go, winter for you folks. Hail. Okay. We'll have to turn here so we can get out. How good is that? It's hailing, everybody. And see where I'm driving. Even the wipers are squeaking from the hail. Still hailing, and you can see on my windscreen there all the hail. Now the windscreen's fogged up a bit because my fan for the heater and the air conditioner is not working at the moment. The relay's burnt out, and I need to take it to a mechanic to get it looked at. And there goes the train. Okay, that's beautiful Melbourne for you. Rain, hail and shine all in the one day. I left home and it was bright sunny. Started a light drizzle. Storm clouds came over and just dumped a bit of hail. Luckily it's only small hail. It's probably about the size of a grain of rice, maybe even smaller, so it's not too bad. You don't want the big hailstones because then that'll do a bit of damage to your car and your property. But at this stage, hopefully it's only a small amount of hail, and we'll get home, put the car under the carport. Okay, I can see up ahead the clouds are clearing. Within the space of about half an hour there'll be bright sunshine again. So there you go. Melbourne, 4 seasons in one day. You can see in the up on the distance there in the sky, these clouds. You can see the sky's opening up. These clouds are going to go past. They've dumped their little bit of rain and hail,